Hey everyone, Lewis here again. Welcome back to my channel. So on this video, I'm going to show you guys the software that I use from Amazon Business. So the main softwares that I use from Amazon Business are called SellerAmp and Keepa. And I know there's a lot of other Amazon softwares out there. There's Jungle Scout, Humanton, man, there's just so much out there. Tactical Arbitrage and then other softwares, but on this video, I'm going to share with you guys the ones that I use. So again, it's SellerAmp. I use SellerAmp and Keepa. Those are the two main product research softwares that I use. And I'm just going to walk you guys through the different features, right? So on SellerAmp, it shows you if you're eligible or not to sell the product. It gives you the BSR of the product, estimate sales per month. It gives you the amount of profit that you're going to make per sale on certain products, ROI. Yeah, there's so many features here in SellerAmp. Let me see. So these are just the numbers and the breakdown of the data for this current product. And then here it shows you if you're eligible to sell the product. So here it says I'm not eligible, so I'll show you guys an example. So I'm going to click manual and gate here, and then request approval. Um, it shows you if you're hazmat or not. So hazmat products or flammable products. So not a lot of people are able to sell flammable products. And here it says if it's dangerous goods or not. It says right here that if Amazon is on the listing, if it's private label or not. It gives you this IP analysis too to show if this product is going to give you any IP complaints. IP means intellectual property. So size is the size of the product. It shows you here too if the product's meltable or not. And then here it shows you the different variations of the product. And then here on this side, it shows you the Keepa chart. So this one is the smaller Keepa chart of this product. And then over here, it shows you the bigger Keepa chart. So yeah, here it shows you the small Keepa chart. And then here you can zoom out to like a year worth of data. And then all the historical data here, you can zoom in to like a month, week, a day. And then here it shows you the profit calculator. So here under cost, you usually plug in the cost of your product. And then the sale price is Amazon sales price. And then under fulfillment type, you can toggle between FBM and FBA. So FBA is fulfilled by Amazon and FBM is fulfilled by merchant. And here it gives you the breakdown of all your fees. So you plug in your cost here, you plug in the Amazon selling price. So under profit, it's going to give you profit. And then ROI gives you your ROI on the sale. And then the maximum cost is the maximum cost of the product when you're doing product research. So for this one, I'm going to show you guys a different video in the future on how to do product research. And then here are the fees, Amazon selling fees. So as you guys can see here, Amazon charges a referral fee of this much, FBA fulfillment fee here, which I think is fair. A lot of people complain about FBA fees, but to me, it's okay because Amazon does a lot of the heavy lifting for us. So shipping, handling, customer service, returns. So of course, Amazon is gonna have a fee, right? So I think this is a pretty fair fee. And then here it gives you the closing fee, the storage fees. And then here I put in the prep fee because I do have a prep cost. So I use a prep center. So I pay about $1.65 per unit to ship one product to Amazon. Or I'm sorry, to pack and prep one product to Amazon. And then $1 usually go to the Amazon shipping fee. So, and that's why I put 265 here. And then here are some other like miscellaneous fees, inbound shipping cost. And then here it gives you the discount if you have a discount code, or any like cashback discounts from credit cards, or extensions like Rakuten. And here it gives you the profit margin, sale. Yeah, it gives you all these numbers, right? And then here is the variations tab. So what this does is it gives you the percentage of the sales of the specific variation. So for this one, I'm going to click this variation, right? So it's large white, and then I'm going to click on Chuck. So pretty much what this means is the specific variation is getting 28% of the sale. So now what I would do is I would take 28% of this estimated sales. So what is that? 28. Let's see, 28. So 184 times 28%, right? So this means 50 sales per month goes to this exact variation of the product right here, right? So that's what that means. And then here under Google Sheets, you can export your products onto a sheet on different sheets automatically. And I think this is a great feature because you can, just click on here and then the product goes to like a specific sheet. Then here you can add notes about the product. And then here is a discount section of SellerAmp. So for example, there's I don't know, like a Nike 20% off discount, right? So I'm sorry, Jockey, right? So for example, you went to jockey.com and there's a 20% off discount on the website. So I would click it here. And then as you can see, it gives you the adjusted ROI, right, with a discount. And then on this side, it's going to show you the different sellers on the listing, right? These are all the different sellers. So FBM is for merchant fulfilled. FBA is for fulfilled by Amazon. And then here you see all their stock, prices, different ROIs. What was this here? Yeah, there's a bunch here, guys. There's this buy box analysis, so it shows you the different percentage of sales that goes to different sellers. They're all here. And yeah, so on my next video, I'm going to show you guys the different data that you can find on Keeper, right? So if you guys got value from my video, please do me a favor, click like and subscribe to my video, and that way other people can see the video and learn from this too. So, alrighty, guys, I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye bye.